Hi, I'm Mike Greiner. I'm a bankruptcy attorney with the financial law group located here in Warren, Michigan, and I'm here to talk to you today about some of the things that we can do for you through Chapter 13 bankruptcy. Now, Chapter 13 bankruptcy is a form of reorganization where basically we're not saying that you want to just get rid of your debts wholesale, but that you want to do things where you want to say, for example, keep certain assets, or maybe you don't qualify for Chapter 7 bankruptcy because you've got too much income, or maybe you want to essentially change the way your debts are paid. Like, say, for example, you're behind on your mortgage payments, or you're behind on tax payments. Things like that can be addressed through Chapter 13 bankruptcy that might not be able to be addressed through Chapter 7. So a lot of people shy away from it, but I definitely think it's something worth thinking about. Let me give you an example. Say you have a home with two mortgages. A lot of people have that right now. With the decline in property values, a lot of people have seen where the value of their home has gone down to the point where they owe more on the first mortgage than the home is worth. And they've got this second mortgage just sitting out there that's totally unsecured. Well, based upon that, we've been one of the leading law firms in developing this law. What we've been able to do is make it so that those second mortgages get stripped entirely off your home. So it's one of the best ways to actually modify your home mortgage to get some relief in the current day and age, especially given the fact that the mortgage companies oftentimes really don't work with people. So what we're able to do is, by filing a Chapter 13 bankruptcy case, we're able to take that second mortgage, wipe it completely off your home, and then you just continue making your first mortgage payments. So if you're behind on them, we can get you caught up on them as well. Something else that we're able to do in Chapter 13 bankruptcy is if you've got a car loan where you've been paying on the car loan for at least 2.5 years, then what we can do is reduce the value of that car loan down to the actual value of the vehicle rather than what you owe on it. That's been a big relief to a lot of people, because a lot of the time when you buy a car and you're making payments on it, you end up owing a lot more than it's worth because the depreciation of the vehicle happens so quickly. One more thing that we're able to do, say for example you get a car loan and you have a very high interest rate on the car loan. That sometimes happens, especially where people have been dealing with some credit issues or have been going through some financial hard times. What we're able to do in cases like that is we're able to change the terms of the car loan to the point where you have a reasonable interest rate rather than the unreasonable interest rate that a lot of these car loan companies are charging. Those are some of the things that we're able to do through Chapter 13 bankruptcy. If you want to find out more about some of the ways that we might be able to help you, feel free to give my office a call. The number is 586-693-2000. We offer free consultations, and if you give us a call, I'd be happy to meet with you personally.